Hi guys, I usually speak French, but for this video I will speak in English with you. So this video is about instasmile's veneers. So I bought 1 year ago, and at first my plan was to have Invisalign, but with the job that I had at that time, I wasn't able for a couple of weeks to have a day off to go to the dentist, and I tried to find a way to correct my teeth because I started a YouTube channel and I was always looking to my teeth through my videos, and it started to bother me a little bit, so I was just wondering the way that I can fix it. So I saw this ad on Instagram about this instasmile veneers, so I checked on YouTube for some videos. I just decided to try this because it looks easier, cheaper and quicker than the other way to fix your teeth. So it was like expected. It was easy and the customer service is out of this world. It's so amazing and they correspond with you quickly and nicely. It was very helpful to speak with someone who leads you through each steps. I have a crooked tooth right here, and I have a cheap one as well, and the dentist told me that I wasn't able to correct it, and my teeth was also not as white that I would like them to be. I was so impressed when I bought it. It was like, it's perfect. It was like, it's the smile that I'll always dream to have. I have the bottom and the top on. It's a premium. Let's take this off. So just have to press it like this. This is my tooth. It's so high on the side. I didn't thought that they will be able to cover it. And also I have a gap between my bottom and my upper teeth, so like this on the side. And my chin is also not that at the right place. They're more like down that it's supposed to be, and it correct my chin with the veneer. So like this, and it will be more like that with my veneers. So put those on again. The gap is not there anymore, and my chin is at the proper place too. For all the things that I can buy in a year, if I have only one thing that I was allowed to buy, it will be for sure veneers with instasmile. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you, and do not hesitate. They will lead you through the process and you will love it for sure. Have a nice day. Bye bye.